This tutorial and learn how to make profits with automated bots. So we'll be trading with automated bots, and as we said, we are starting afresh from scratch, guys. So as you can see, I have $32 in my Binance account that will be used as my capital, and I have another account that is called RunQuilly.com. So go search it, and if you want free classes, make sure you click the link in my bio so that you can learn on how to use automated bots. So this video is for teaching purposes. Make sure you learn something by the end of it. So after funding your RunQuilly account, of which you won't do today, we've already funded our account by depositing from Binance to here, and you can use any exchange to fund your RunQuilly account. After that, you'll come trading bots, then you click on start bot. So you check the minimum and the maximum amount. Also, the runtime is very important, and don't forget to check on the percentage profit and loss for the bot. So you check both, and then you click start bot. Before we click start bot, remember to check on the traders that are using the bot at the moment. You can see like this one, it has 10,000.6k traders using it right now, and it is running on hot. That means it's very profitable. Other thing, after clicking start the bot, remember the automated bots, you don't have to set so many things, but if you are busy, you can set your take profit and also set your stop loss. So if it hits the stop loss or take profit, the bot will automatically stop, and whatever it has accumulated will be funded to your account, be it spot or funding. Okay, for me, this is my full-time job, so I'll just enter amount 32 USDT. We'll use USDTs, not dollars, because that's the standard crypto name. So after that, I'll start my bot. And as I said, I remind you, these are automated bots, so you don't have to set anything. Our first trade has given us $2. You can check on the live bot, live logs. This is the chart. You can see the candlestick of green. That means profit. The candlestick of red going downward below your entry point. That means a loss. You are running on a loss. But right now, even if it forms a red candlestick as it has formed, still we are running on profit because it is above our entry point. We can check that in the logs. You can see it has a profit of 2.08 and a loss of 0.1, 0.7, another loss, but the PNL still reads 1.85. I said this is a full video, so we'll do one withdrawal of let's say $30, because we are still in the ground. We've started from the ground. So from the scratch means we don't transact large amounts, but small amounts, just to motivate those who are starting. So I'll just go to my withdrawal, then click on USDT. I'll go copy my Binance address, of which I've done so many videos on that, but I wanted to show someone on how to do it. So let me go to my Binance and copy the address. So just come to Binance, click on assets, click on add funds, then you click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, click on USDT, click on TRC20, copy the address, very nice. Then go to your RunQuilly account, paste the address you've just copied from Binance, enter your amount 32. Because the transaction fee is 2 USDT, sorry. So the amount that will arrive in your Binance, expect that USDT. You review and confirm. You can come and check on the bots how they are doing. We are running at a profit of 1.60. Not bad, because our capital is small too. So let's wait for the withdrawal to be approved, then we check in Binance. So guys, I just got a notification that my deposit has arrived, and you can see it has changed to 62. So I'll just go check my trade and show you that it has been approved in RunQuilly. So we just refresh so that you check that everything is working. So my account is here. We can check the withdrawal, transaction history, There we go, my people. Everything is working. We decided to start low so that we can grow together. You can see 32 approved right now, right today. So let's check our trade. Can go to trading bots down here. Then our PNL reads at 6.7 actually. So let's check the. You can see the pattern. This means profit. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But it's amazing. So make sure you start now. You can start small, but better profits needs better capital, and better capital brings better profits. Make sure you like and comment to my videos if you are viewing them from social media, so that we can keep pushing people to get these tutorials. We are out for now. I'll post this in Telegram. For those who are in Telegram, you'll see the end results, but they are profitable. Consider using them.